Alright, this is going to be the elevator here at the Days Inn and Suites here in Lakeland, Florida. Got a Schindler 330A here to ride. Go up to 3. Wow, isn't it lovely coming to the 3rd floor? Take back down to 1. Door close does not work, as we all know, for most 330As and 321As. Very basic cab. Anyway, you see your HT buttons. COP is see better days. Certificate right there. Floor indicator, capacity of 2,500. Here we are back at 1. Walk one more time. And here we're back at 3. And now we're back down to 1 and end the video. And here we're back at 1. And there goes the elevator, and that will be it.